Double Adenase. Mamen free Mahama Nini Nia Ibrahim Mahamason. Me video no. Na asema about me team and say what's going on?
What do you video no?
Yeah. Na
and say me control oh.
No.
Okay,
na
thank you.
Adentia Ibrahim Mahama or drive the president. And you see one thing I will say is a bit hard, but I have to say Ghana for your Jimmy. Why am I saying that? Yeah, Jimmy to the sense say I don't know. You left from our right say idea nipa ya a breach of you who say idea we nipa we are wrong and I say you do be whatever the person does a perfect mind and which is bad. And Mimi here, I just run to the comment section to see how sensible people will come and comment. And I see people say, hey, and I wish I had this kind of brother. Are you stupid? That's our president. Our president. And his security is being breached. And you want to say, hey, you're normal, be my say, President Ninia or Moticum. Minka so Ninia Ticum, my bonnet. Menka say who knew say born enya boni but like so the moment obey a president no we free the family zone obey the whole Ghana Japadi because Ghana for ni yehwe no ni welfare Ghana enti a okwa ye money security or more guiding no senko ye ordinary citizen ye betima man or wako 190 Ghana sa bra only security yi but like edu baby I don't know because the Jimina ewa Ghana no dosu. Ena omo are taken for granted and omo ye ni omo be. Because enyasa nka I don't see the reason why the whole president na ninia air drive on presidential car na enye John Mahama car Ghana na a car. Because it's official vehicle and bought.
Yes. With the crest of the president.
Bought by the
crest of the state. Taxpayers.
The state. And you know, there's nowhere obi a unauthorized user or that can ordinance association. Because me who me na me offer air driver government car and like one way be na ne bad boy or the car ni so na ne banfire. And unfortunately o two car na or the car no premier. Do you know what? My uncle have to repair the car they pick up.
Yeah.
You have to repair it because or the ultimate fan office. Oh, he's not an authorized user of the car. Yeah. And on time here, you have to repair it and send it back because any nebana yede car man says so use. And he said, "Oh, only sir to me now. On how can say oh yeah, who use car no." And say even companies, even not a presidential, you a common company cry or more vehicle. Now say obi nye authorized user. That person no can say or use can because only can insurance. So that's the insurance policy. Even ye free security zone cry by insurance policy no. The person on your authorized user and no only insurance no say ultimate use can no they any business. Whereas to have say president tickam na ninia air driver no na driver na ya assigning into the president owing edi adwuma na oye on Ghana for edu ba bia mesre million Ghana for yem free edu ba bia yenyi political lens no na yenyi jimi no em free ani so na yenwene critical say ade bia nipa be bia ye wo nsunsanso wo so na nsunsanso na ne de because the moment na o kan say me I agree with you because say eba say ebia obi twintuo say na Trump call a year obi twintuo e na oto ya enka Ibrahim Mahama I don't know say that defensive driving skills no say even if something happen even the driver na our duty or handle car over to Ibrahim Mahama no you bet me jail no
of course
because wanye na djuma yi wod na djuma to ama accident ayen esi ana bibi esi he have questions to answer to the state enti President Mahama edu ba bia enya agudie na Ghana for yedi o ye panyini you should know what ba first time and our second term ni you should know say niema bi o a no go area say Ibrahim Mahama personal car and outima obi ane wasembisa oyo onua mukofie out of office oni onua e chele mukoba mukopemba any the obi ane wasembisa obetima chele whatever however you want it but to the extent say wo this state car e mo onua on a government payroll so on your assigned to that vehicle totally wrong and Ghanaians must condemn that and yeba independence celebration so na I thought say yeah kasige nino na I thought say like I've seen countries you do this year celebrate this thing and I say the BBC my country and I say you move to this channel say ebia ye nyina ye kwa agriculture ntini ye channels scanning nyina ye de akwa agric sector na ye improve that sector no ntini celebration no this is what we are getting from it and ambassador but you cut the citizens off now wo president no I don't think say we citizens any member of any citizen of Ghana now wono wakotena wo na ma didi na ma chele ewo ho because ntimi kan chem say ade we mo ye ne mamboka wo ho
some say 1.5 million Ghana cedis
1.5 so almost spending 1 cedi cry Ghana for Oscar even 1 cedi because so far as our Ghana for ni no so also ye Ghana ni one ho kwanse usudi
so 1.5 million 15 billion old currency 15 billion cedis
okay okotran na ka say who save Oscar na say wo mo kotran na mo no nti o mo ko o man ya 1013 ana so me ka 1013 amoti aze because that mo dia 1013 enti no and as president say mo buy nyina you take care of them you know what should you do that say mo win election so still mo da so ye campaign mo ye propaganda e no kire sen
yo odi mi da ase mi da ase yo Vigor berekufian
yes sir fian you know
ofo
ma utama for wale nwina ma
mele nwire all right 5 minutes yenkwe
akwakwase bi Benjamin kwase bi wase yi ni munyini mfiri so eza we ni pa
odi yenko
Makaraji Kofi Boachi is responsible for security issue in the presidency. Hello? Kofi Boachi.
Is it my network or is Vigor's network?
Some security, something in the presidency. President because it's my brother. Ibrahim Maham because the richest person.
I think Vigor's network is not good. All right, I think Vigor's network is not good. So, Miss Jenny, good morning from this side.
Good morning.
It is
okay, now so.
Yes, I don't mean who you pa. But your 5 minutes in Antines.
Okay. My first submission the Independence Day.
Okay. But your voice near clear. Are you using an airport?
No.
Okay, this is better now. Oh, okay.
First time na me say almost say or more gyro rotation of Independence Day. In fact, me because that rotation and now more year. Emma and for other people from the other regions, they had some kind of feeling about the Independence Day celebration because Yes, all these years, no, it was so celebrated in Greater Accra.
Yeah.
But when Nana came, that was one thing that I really appreciate the Nana do again. Oba no, okay, so you rotate encourage bia mo bia nya the zeal, the feeling of the Independence Day celebration, and it was a very good idea because you won crabby or cra obi oma who president crada. Obi wɔ ma wɔn hu me sɛ me fi Kumasi Ashanti Region. Yɛwɔ obi nkwadaa bi wɔ ma nkwadaa asukuufoɔ nkwadaa bi kɔ ɔho otumfuo da. But that day, nkwadaa na wɔkɔ Kumasi Sports Stadium for Independence Day celebration, some of them were able for the first time to see Otumfuo, to see Nana Addo, to see some prominent personnel bi a wɔwɔ Ghana ha sei. And then the culture display, it was something, it was awesome. And marketing, so a man confusing yes, a boosting markets with hotels, drinking bars, restaurants, like food joints in almost chefa. Intimate oka say almost stopping almost rotating. In fact, ɛha adwene na ɛyɛ me ya paa na yɛka ne sɛ na ɛnra aho ne ho esi ne nketea. You see, NDC for they don't have shame, they don't have little shame. Mo ɛna President Kufuor esi Jubilee House mo na mo say ɛhɔ yɛ nkokɔbuo osi na ɔde nkokɔ akɔguo ɛnɛ deɛ mo tena hu sɛ ɛhɔ no fit say you're celebrating Independence Day wɔ hɔ nom. Abra Independence Square wɔ hɔ nom. Ɛnna ma wɔ sɛ saa nkokɔbuo nkokɔ dan na President Kufuor esi na mo ka sɛ nkokɔbuo no yɛ de nkokɔ akɔgu no. Ɛnɛ mo na ma kɔ sɛ mo kɔ di Independence Day. Nti mo ankasa no mo yɛ nipa anaasɛ mo yɛ nkokɔ NDC foɔ. John Mahama na esi ebi ntetea no me nkɔfo mo yɛ nipa anaasɛ mo yɛ nkokɔ.
Waka mi ntade a asɛdu nketea ne Julius Zeba na ɔmo hyehyɛ no.
Ai, me ba hɔ no. Wo na ho ahyɛ fugu de kyɛ wei atare wɔ tiri so. Wo na ho ahyɛ fugu de kyɛ wei atare wɔ kampani. Ɛde akɔtena Jubilee House so ɔkɔ na te ne shoe ne nan na ɛtutu kɔ baby. Akɔtena hɔ nom. W'ani kura mu. Kamena ɔkɔ President Kaso obey no ka catch president say ɛhɔ deɛ years back no wo ka say ɛhɔ no mo de yɛ de be poultry farm nti ne kwan sɛ mo kɔ na mo kɔ celebrate sa Independence Day. This year sa Independence Day ya obedi I wish thank o mo endimpo because no we didn't feel anything. I wish so we made this Independence Day. We have Independence Square. Anytime we are moving, like that place was established purposely for that celebration. And we don't know the motive behind the Peninsula started that place for that celebration. It's anytime Satmas bedroom you have this you have this feeling. Say, I don't know if so be of moods, any panel will be this. Me, I just sometimes had that feeling. Say, something happened. It makes us remember. Say, on the 6th of March, something happened, and more established that place. And say, the way Independence Square into more than what sad. And then they operate when they always say the first half of the Jubilee House, why you fit into one hour could be. And then back to the voting, you know. Cool. You see, you people on Sanko follow him. And some regions, they will continue to be Asante Form and now Ashanti region. We will continue to be their masters because Oma Jene say Omodi the papa money at the papa behind one of your most favorite benefit. I can't remember say President Kufuor time. Bibi saa si ma no ka say okwa omo yes some war bi
Sea
so that they
defense.
yes. And then omo ka omo Kufuor ba be wia omo asase. Omo ka enema bebre Kufuor obibi a on fon koye wo ne kurom. Eno ono na be ye nema ama wo mu. Enema wo mo yiye. Nyame na etia omo ka. Nyame na etia omo ka. Wo ne hu kese kra. Then I'm motivating na home Ashanti region. Even though Nana be never be blue, but it got a time Ashanti region first. For money are so the Nana the year into little moon to other. And no any leading into MPP for you lose a you lose. As a president, what's a SMS 2 weeks in here? Into intelligence now more water region. What's the boy? Voter regional minister wati ho yɛ de nti wɔn ti bi ankɔhɔ nom ankɔsurvey who said disaster says ɛto nkɔfo a yɛde mosquito net yɛde mattress anaasɛ wɔsi yɛ pɛrɛ ɛdum ankɔfo ne kɔda wɔ intelligence na wɔn wɔ nom ɛna wɔ regional minister na wɔn adwuma bɛn na wɔyɛ wɔ ɛna wɔn hyɛ da na I don't blame them because since the parents dey there wɔn kɔkɔ no ma wɔn hwɛ kora they are okay seeing the president alone they are okay. That's how they are. Seeing the president alone, they are okay.
Yo.
They show Omo because I did we say in see Ashanti region man Joma ama and finance a pine back kuma nke just krank won't drew on them and I can see no quiet so.
Yo.
Won't drew you see.
Yo. Me da Ashanti